So I just wanted to send out a little video to cover a couple things. First thing, if you go to your course schedule, for this week it said complete week 11, chapter 11, and get started on your MAPP career test. So I'm going to show you where that assignment is. And I wanted to let you know, Blackboard was having a few issues with the lesson material availability. For some reason, for some students, your week 11, it's showing for me, and many students completed it, but it's showing for them, for some reason, they couldn't access it. So make sure you're able to access chapter 11. Some people weren't able to, so I extended the due date here. So if you haven't completed chapter 11, the discussion board yet, please go in, view the PowerPoint lecture, and then go to the discussion board and complete the assignment. If you guys, I did notice that a couple people are just going in at the beginning of the week and completing the discussion board assignment without having watched the lectures. And I've noticed that those people are the ones that are not passing the exams. You've got to watch the PowerPoint first. It's like attending class. If you guys aren't watching the PowerPoints, you're not attending class and you're just completing the homework. That makes no sense, guys. So if you are unable to access the PowerPoint, it is available, it is working. So please go into your weekly lesson plan folder, watch chapter 11 PowerPoint, and then head into the discussion board and get that assignment done. I'm extending it until next Friday, but please get it done as soon as you can. Okay, because next week you guys still have to do chapter 12. Okay, now for the MAPP assignment. So if you go into your assignments tab and you go to MAPP career inventory and paper, it's a really easy paper. It's basically a little career test. You're going to take the career test, and then you're going to write a 2-page paper that highlight what the test results were like, how they influence your future career plans. Maybe they don't. Maybe the test tells you that you should work in academia and you want to go work for a radio station. You know, that's fine. Just let me know what the test tells you in a nutshell. Do not tell me word for word exactly what the test said. I don't want 2 pages of MAPP lingo. I want you to tell me really briefly what the test results said, and then I want you to answer these questions. What careers interest you? Tell me what your 1, 5, and 10-year career plan is. And then I want you to tell me how learning positive human relations strategies impacts attaining these goals. So I want you to specifically identify 3 themes from your text that we have spoken about. Literally go back into the book or go through your notes or go through the PowerPoint presentations and find 3 specific themes that relate to your goals or your future or how you're going to achieve your, career ideals. How can you incorporate those into your life to make it a happier and more successful one? Okay, so please don't leave out one of these questions because this is basically your prompt, right? So please let me know if you have any questions. You're going to click on this Holland Code career test. It's free. It takes about 10 minutes to do the test. And then here are examples. I don't know who wants to repair a dishwasher for a living, but maybe, somebody out there does that and somebody out there likes doing that. So these are some examples of how you do it. And then it'll give you a results page and ideas about what careers, go in line with what you suggested there in your test. Anyway, let me know if you have any issues. That is due on Monday, November 25th. I'm having that due before Thanksgiving for a reason. Please, 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 guys. I've had so many late submissions lately. Grading the personality papers was very difficult for me because so many people emailed me that assignment, and there's no reason to be emailing me assignments. I've had many, many students have no issues submitting assignments correctly to Blackboard, submitting papers correctly. I had plenty of personality papers submitted correctly through your assignments tab. I had so many people email me personality papers a week later, 8 days later, and then I'm trying to find them in my inbox. It was a mess. I cannot have that happen. If you do not submit the MAPP assignment here, browse your computer, it's this easy. You just have to attach the file from what you saved on your computer. If you do not submit it this way, I will not grade it. I cannot keep looking through my email to try and find these random papers. And then, I have people saying, well, I sent it to you and it's not in my inbox. So please, 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 guys, do me a favor. Don't have me grading these on Thanksgiving or sorting through my inbox to try and find them. I need you to complete them properly and send them in properly. And then I'm happy to grade them, full credit. If you're answering your full prompt here, you submit it correctly and on time, you should be getting an A on this assignment. It'll be a great boost for your grade. So please submit it correctly and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.